In today's video, I'm talking all about clownfish and how to care for these beautiful saltwater fish. Clownfish are great for first-time hobbyists that are looking for an easy fish to care for. There are so many different clownfish to choose from due to breeding. You can find some really awesome looking designer clownfish. There are Ocellaris clownfish, Pacula clownfish, skunk clownfish, Clarkie clowns, tomato clowns, and the list goes on. Now, you don't need anything fancy to keep clownfish, as they do well in a wide range of salinity or specific gravity. As they are saltwater fish, you can keep them in a range of 1.019 to 1.026. Now, as far as temperature requirements for a clownfish, you can be in the range of 72 to 78 degrees Fahrenheit and they will do just fine. If you plan on adding coral to your tank and having a reef aquarium, they do great and will be model citizens in your reef tank. Now, I should touch on aggression, as most clownfish are well behaved. Some can be a little grumpy. For example, the maroon clownfish will protect his territory in the tank by going after other fish that get too close. I've even seen a maroon clownfish pick up snails with his mouth and move them all the way across the tank just to get him out of his zone. Now, if you decide to get an anemone and your clownfish decides to live within it, then it will protect it at all cost. Clownfish are also known to nip at fingers if you get your hands too close to their territory. But for the most part, clownfish are very peaceful, and another thing that makes clownfish great for beginners is that they do well in smaller aquariums and large aquariums. A good guideline would be 20 gallons on the minimum side up into the hundreds of gallons and more. The larger the tank, the more clownfish you can keep, and with filtration these days and good care practices, you can keep a clownfish in a smaller aquarium. Clownfish do really well in pairs, and it's a lot of fun to see them interact with each other, so if you can find a mated pair at your local fish store, definitely bring them home together. Now, clownfish eat a variety of food, from frozen meaty food like mysis shrimp to flake food and pellets. They are not picky eaters, and that makes them great for first-time reef hobbyists that still are getting a handle on what type of food and brand to choose for their aquarium. So, quick recap on the care requirements for a clownfish is that they do well in a wide range of salinity, from lower salinity up into salinity that we keep for our reef aquariums. Remember to keep your temperature between 72 and 78 degrees Fahrenheit and your clownfish will do just fine. Clownfish can also be kept in many different sized tanks, so there's nothing really holding you back there, and they accept a variety of food, and there are a lot of clowns to choose from so that you can find the right clownfish that really stands out in your aquarium. Now, if you'd like to see exactly what I'm talking about with maroon clownfish aggression, then check out this video I made about Samson the maroon clownfish. And if you'd like to learn 5 easy tips to keeping a bubble tip anemone, click on this video right here, and I will see you in the next one.